morning all. Okay, let's have one or two games this morning. I'll set off the 5-minute auto pairing, and by the way, send your game requests. If you become a full member of chessbowl.net, I'll do you a custom video annotation of 1 or 2 games. If you want to send me a couple of games, up to a couple of games with some story, that'll be brilliant. I mean, it's good for the channel. Those videos were surprisingly well received, actually. So I'm keen on doing those custom video annotations. So this I am Zil. Okay, what about that Roy Lopez style approach? I'm going to try that again because I think it might actually be good for 5-minute chess, because it's a simple, it's a sort of simplified plan really for C3 and D4. I don't need to. I suppose I could put the bishop over here. That might be better. Bishop A4, but then I'm giving them a tempo for B5. I think this is quite solid, this approach. So just constructing the centre as well. I mean, it's respecting centre. Right, that B5 is a target here now. Because the bishop's not here, it's actually pointing at B5 and A6. So maybe maybe something like knight A3 as well. Okay, I'll take with the maybe with the rook. I'll take with the rook. So knight B6, I guess. Rook A3 or rook A2. I want to get this guy out, I think, because I want to play Queen A1. That would be a nifty move to try and play Knight D2 and Queen A1. This is the target. I'll wait for a sort of battery on A6. If I can get to play Knight D2 and Queen A1, I'll be very happy. Okay, he's melting down my centre. He's giving me the C3 square in the process, though. I'm going to use that to protect E4 just in time. Okay, have I got Queen A1 now? That's the move I wanted to play. Target that A6. Punish this counterplay generation on the queen side. Correct weaknesses, the cynic says. Counterplay? What counterplay? I'm just going to munch pawns. Okay. Mind you, E5, knight E4. How do I keep this under control? Maybe I'll let him take. Maybe I'll just play knight E5 here. I'll play knight E5 for a moment, gaining a tempo on the queen. Then I'll play bishop A6, and then B6 might be loose. Or ED. Or F3 is actually possible. F3 just maintains the centre. Yes. I want to keep control of D5, for example. Maybe this other rook eventually belongs on C1. Now he's protecting A6 anyway. Okay. He's protecting that E6. And now D4 looks vulnerable. Okay. Oh no. Getting a bit confused now what to do. Come on, think. Not bishop A6, D5. Queen D1 looks passive. Actually, there's rook D4 almost. This is not good. D5 a bit desperate. Try and sort of expose the E7 bishop. We'll get some dynamism anyway. Maybe A6 will drop after. It's got knight G4 potentially. He's not going to use that bishop on B7, is he? He'll play knight D5. Is there something like bishop C4 coming out to target F7 or B4? Oh, okay. Okay, I'm ahead on the clock by a few seconds, but my king looks to be precarious. It's got Queen F. No, it hasn't got Queen F2 just yet. Going to make me Queen F2. This is really dangerous. Knight G3. That looks terrible. Because of Queen H5 coming up. Whoa! What's happened to my king safety? I'm gonna have to take it. It's lost, isn't it? My king safety has been shot to pieces. That wasn't so easy to play. What about H3 and King H2? Is it was going to get on these dark squares and make me on G1 soon? Okay. Put it anywhere. Right, Queen E2, Knight F3. Okay. Yeah. Pin. It's not looking good. I'll protect this guy. The king. Alright, that's sort of interesting. On F7. Can I use this pawn? It's protected by the bishop. A2 is protected again, so that's 7th. Okay, has he got an immediate threats there? Oh, rook C2 submerged. Alright, I can't get off there. Oh, I'll play for bishop F3. No, I can't. I can't play for bishop F3. I can play for B6, hope for the best. Crude. Is that bishop F2 on rook? I want to check. Let me play B7. No. I can't get queen up there just yet. Oh, I've just gone into rook C2. Muppets. No, bishop E2. Bishop E2. It's not hot. Oh, going into a pin. It's terminal. It's terminal. And his clock stopped. Bishop E2, just bishop D3, end of game. Yep. Have I been disconnected as well? Stop it off. Alright, so that bishop E4, very powerful move. He'll be back, play rook C2, finish it off. Yep. Painful. Somehow counterplay came in there. So that D5 is exposing these two pawns as potential weaknesses. Okay, D5. Probably just to keep D4 intact. Maybe E5 was necessary just allow knight e4. It's a sort of lesser evil, because at least the pawn chain is protected from the frontal attack. If you look at d4 here, this looks like a really bad idea. I'm just weakening this diagonal as well. So I've weakened d4. I'm weakening e4 basically. When really, I mean d5. Okay, just e5, yeah. Just to protect this guy, maybe that is a sort of potentially instructive there, in inverted commas. And here, I mean, it looks as though I'm just picking up the pawn anyway, as well. What would be the big deal? So this is a lot cozier, protected. In this game, it's a nightmare. I turned that centre, turning a centre into a nightmare. Oh, with d4 weak, just frontal attack on d4. Major difference. Major difference. Something about e5 I didn't like, about, I don't know, blocking the bishop or something, allowing knight e4 because it's protected. I think I was concerned about, I don't have to give up the d5 square to a huge knight. If I don't do that, just leave the knight on e4. It looks pretty, but just leave it there and just take on a6. That was the plan anyway. It was a bit of a mess. I made out of that. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.